From the people who brought you one egg exploding comes the rest of the eggs, as donated by Randa. So let's do this. Clean it out pretty well. Bigger is better. Yeah, get one in the middle. How many eggs? 7 eggs.
I need to remind you, these are 4 months past expiration.
7 eggs, 3 minutes. How the hell do I work this thing? Start.
Ugh. I don't really want to be right in front of it.
I got this. Any judgment calls on this?
Popcorn.
Machine reaction.
Popcorn style.
It'll just turn into straight popcorn.
It'll probably blow up.
Will they all go at once, or?
I might die.
I think the one in the middle will go last. "30-second mark.
What time did they explode last time?
I have no idea. They're looking strong. That one looks pretty inflated.
No oozing yet?
Yeah, not yet. This is a brand new microwave to this apartment. And we're torturing it. We didn't even give it a name. Like those YouTube kids. We're holding strong. Let it through. Making breakfast. We're gonna eat all of this after.
No, I don't think so.
We have to.
We have to, huh?
Can't throw it away.
I don't know. I don't want to get AIDS.
They're holding out pretty well right now.
Like a gang. Chicken gang.
Chicken gang.
Holding strong.
You chicks fly together.
Yeah, like a V formation.
It's like a honeycomb formation.
Like bees.
Like the bee's knees.
Bees knees?
I don't know if 3 minutes is going to be enough for these guys.
It has to.
I mean, it has to because I only have 50 seconds of film left. But
Don't worry, I got you.
what are we gonna? We're gonna quickly stop it and then run to the other room and upload this video and.
I'm gonna go grab a book.
This is. I shouldn't have talked for so long at the beginning.
No. Running out of things to say.
I wonder if I can stop the film now, save the last 15 seconds, and get it right as it explodes.
Doubt it.
And our
As soon as we open
film
the door, it's gonna explode.
is getting out.
Oh, could you imagine opening the door right when they explode?
Yeah, oh no, my battery's not dying.
Oh,
Fuck
what?
you. Add minutes.
A minute. Just add a minute.
Why won't
Dang.
you break? Ooh, one started shaking. It's probably because it's on a spinning plate, though.
Yeah.
You know, who makes a camera that only has 3.5 minutes of film in it?
Probably gay people.
That's terrible. Don't say that.
Okay.
Oh, that one's bubbling. I actually lied. I stopped it early. I have 6 seconds left on this.
Oh, well that blows.
I figured they'll start a chain reaction and I'll be able to get at least one of them.
What if this lasts for a whole nother hour? Would it even be worth it?
Then breakfast is coming late.
Mm.
I mean, they're bubbling.
Should I put my face in there?
That one's bubbling. Yeah, put it like real close.
Okay.
Skylar, if we can get like a money shot with you, just like thumbs upping Right as they explode.
Yeah.
That one's definitely bubbling. Maybe.
Oh! There goes one.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's carnage here. One already blew up. And I didn't get it.
Oh! Here goes another one.
Is that coming from in there?
Yeah.
It's like squeaking.
It's crying. Screaming for
The
help.
eggs are crying.
That'll get you.
That'll learn you.
That'll teach you some manners.
Who's gonna go next? I think that guy. He's really upset about his falling. Oh, I was right! No, I wasn't. No, wrong one.
Okay, I'm gonna go with this last guy right back there.
He's going next?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm kind of feeling the guy on the opposite side. Because he's just so upset over the carnage over his buddy.
He's crying. He's gonna commit
Yeah,
suicide.
this guy right here.
Here's the one right after that one. Some chrome's exploding.
When in fact, the guys who have already exploded are still exploding.
They're not satisfied with their own death. Yeah, you did.
Gotta be that helping hand. God, these are some resilient eggs.
Yeah.
I'll tell you that.
I'll work out.
Rhonda Andrews does not play around. By
With
that I
her
mean Rhonda.
Stale eggs.
In all fairness, she gave me these to me over 4 months ago.
Yeah, that's gross. Why'd she even give you eggs?
Making something for her best friend's something. Birthday.
Oh, shit! Gunshot.
Dude, it just reversed. The plate started spinning in the opposite way. What? You noticed that, right?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, dang.
Dude, that was loud. Oh, you got it right. Wait, no, you got it right.
Oh, keep it going.
Let the carnage continue. Now it's going the other way. That smells delicious.
Just wait till you open it.
Alright, who we calling next?
The back one.
Middle one.
Front guy coming in. I was gonna pick him anyways. He's crying. I can see his tears.
His embryonic tears.
Are we gonna even have a microwave after this?
It's debatable.
I don't know.
We may do before.
I think the chicken that had these eggs would be really proud right now. See all of her kids get blown up. If only she knew.
Only she knew. It's just, I'm just thinking in advance. I wonder what the total count on how long these have been in is.
Well, my video's at 9:07 right now.
Some resilient eggs.
It's like a Saw movie for the chickens. I want to play a game.
Russian roulette around the microwave plate. Who's gonna get it next?
Well, we don't know.
They got to be like boiling in there by now.
Yeah, you would think.
Surely.
There you go.
Should have just put it in for 20 minutes.
on middle egg.
Wait, that egg's already broken.
One in the back?
Yeah,
Oh, I'm just.
look at that guy.
He's probably got more popping to go.
Dude, he is cracked straight open. Somebody already blasted his brains out.
Oh,
His embryo out.
his embryo out. Oh my gosh!